This is your host, Paraiso, and this is your Oasis Radio Paraiso.
Magandang gabi po. Ito ang Oasis Radio Paraiso. At ako ang inyong Paraiso. In one of my live streamings recently, someone asked me, can an elderly woman over 60-year-old fall in love again? I said yes, why not? The heart never grows old. Though we may grow older physically, knows no bound when it comes to love. All the heart knows is being generous in giving love, be loved, and to reciprocate that love from that one right person. Pwede mong saktan ang isang babae ng paulit-ulit. Pwede mong baliin ang kanyang puso, guluhin ang kanyang isipan, at paluhain ang kanyang kaluluwa. Pwede mong iwan siyang durog, pero tandaan mo, siya ay babangon upang buuin muli ang kanyang pagkatao, ang kanyang pagkababae, at bigyan ang kanyang sarili ng karampatan, self-worth, at self-love. Kung kaya, siya, ang babae, ay hindi natatakot umibig, ano pa mang edad, ang kanyang panahon. Take it from me, guys. Afraid to love, but not afraid to walk away either. I'm just being honest. Also, I'm just being careful. Thus, I set my boundaries. I'd rather be cared for than be showered with millions of I love yous. I'm not scared to fall in love again. Just don't want to chase unsettled emotions from the guy. I need someone who prioritizes me, who plans his life with me in it. I need a love that is true, honest, loyal, and trustworthy. Not confuse me, but consumes me. I believe that you will agree with me, sapagkat marunong pa rin tayong umibig sa anumang panahon ng ating buhay. Pero tayo ay nakahandang masaktan, hindi ba? At nakahandang lumayo kung we feel we don't belong anymore. Kaya huwag kayong matakot umibig ulit. Huwag niyong pagsarhan ang inyong puso para sa isa pang pagkakataon na maaaring magbigay sa inyo ng kaligayahan na hindi ninyo natamo sa mga una ninyong pag-ibig. Be open. Love yourself. Learn to love. Give love. Reciprocate the love from that right person.